With the 2025 Odyssey, the internet is at your fingertips thanks to built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Just connect your Odyssey to the internet through the integrated 4G LTE hotspot, and you're ready to go. Enjoy 3 months or 3 gigabytes of complimentary data with an AT&T plan, whichever comes first. Need more data? Simply visit att.com/Honda to add vehicle data services. With the AT&T plan, it's easy to connect to the internet. All you need to do is press Wi-Fi hotspot. Press the power button to get started. Using the SSID and password on the screen, everyone in the vehicle can connect to the internet using their Wi-Fi enabled devices such as iPhones, Android phones, or mini tablets or computers. The first thing you need to do is to check your device manual to find out if your device has Wi-Fi connectivity. Once you've confirmed that, here are the steps to follow on your iPhone or Android phone. On the Odyssey screen, select Wi-Fi hotspot. Note the network's SSID and password. From the home screen, select Settings, then Connections, then Wi-Fi. Tap the name of the network displayed on Odyssey's central display. Input the password shown on Odyssey's central display. You are now connected to the mobile hotspot. The Odyssey's hotspot is a feature that is sure to provide you and your passengers with a powerful information tool and a fantastic entertainment source. For more information about your Odyssey and all things Honda, be sure to check out your owner's manual and HondaInfoCenter.com. Have fun and safe driving.